Lost in a sea of options? Don't swim with sharks. Catch a ride with a dolphin. Most people don't realize not every buyer is what they seem. So here are a few helpful tips to look out for when selling your home. For example, if you are looking to repair your home and have time to go through the traditional listing process, a true direct buyer will discuss your options with you. They should also be honest when your situation is not a fit for selling as is. Some buyers are more like middlemen and work for larger corporations. They may not be capable of closing escrow themselves. Instead, they can loop you into a long process of uncertainty while they look for a buyer. This often results in a process that looks like this. They assign the contract to a cash buyer. While they look for the cash buyer, closings can be frequently delayed and sometimes do not close. There may be multiple inspections and showings, and they may commonly renegotiate their initial offer. A real headache, we know. While a true, as-is direct buyer is the end buyer. They have cash to close on your timeline, and they buy to remodel, so you don't have to worry about repairs if you don't want to, or don't have the time. We understand that the process of selling is a lot to go through, so whether you are looking to simply discuss your options with our small team of real estate professionals, or if you are looking to keep your home until you are able to decide the right route for you, we are here to give free advice or quote a no-obligation fair cash offer. Call or text us today at 8666-133-041 or visit us at bluewavehomebuyers.com.